Hey everybody, this is Kellen with Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to do an unboxing of a new product from ComfyGo. It's called the IQ Carbon. Now, the IQ Carbon is actually a carbon fiber folding electric wheelchair. There's many of them on the market now, but the thing that makes this different is it's one of the more affordable ones. So a lot of those carbon fiber folding electric wheelchairs, they're around $3,000. At the time of this video, this one is about $2,400. So it is cheaper in price, but the quality is really good. I'm assuming, I haven't seen it yet. This will be my first time, but all of ComfyGo's products are really great quality. It can support 290 pounds of weight. Battery range is up to 11 miles. The color of the chair is black, and there's no textile upgrades for this one. A lot of the other ComfyGo chairs, you have some textile cushions you can swap out. So this one doesn't have that. It's just a black chair, black cushion. It's airline approved, and it has two 250 watt brushless motors. So pretty powerful motors for a carbon fiber chair, so it can tackle diverse terrains. So let's get into it and unbox this. So I'm going to cut these straps first. And one thing about folding electric wheelchairs is that there's usually no assembly, and I'm assuming this one will be the same. It's just a matter of attaching the joystick and the battery oftentimes. So here's the unit. Now I can pull it out, but I'm going to set it on its side. It's the easier thing to do. Just pull this out, and looks like we got everything. So it looks like we got the cushion here. So here's the cushion, or this is the backrest cushion, the pocket on the back. ComfyGo does a great job too of packaging these, so you're gonna get a protective cover over the wheels. It's gonna make sure all of these bars are protected. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna pause the video for a moment, take all this stuff off, and then we'll get back to it. All right, so now we've got everything unboxed. And we have a seat cushion. So we'll set this on. Here's your seat belt too, but we'll keep it out of the way for now. So there's Velcro that matches up here. That's how you put the seat cushion on. Here is the seat back. Same thing, Velcro that matches here. Put that on. We've got the joystick. We also have an attendant remote. So this can be used as a caregiver. If you're a caregiver taking care of someone, you can operate the chair from this, and it comes standard. Here's the charger and user manual. I'm gonna put the joystick on. I'm gonna put it on the right side for now. You just simply unscrew this knob so you can slide it in here. And you can adjust how far away you want it or how close you want it. And then once you find that desirable spot, you just screw it into place. It's easy to put on the left side too. So if you're left-handed, it's no problem. Get that question a good bit. And as far as attaching the joystick, you just connect these. There's an arrow here and an arrow here. Just match those up.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
The battery is already in. Looks like it comes installed. Pull this down, it comes right out. So I believe it should turn on. All right, cool. So we got it. I just powered it on. Nice digital dash. It's in miles per hour. Have your battery life, your speed control. This will lower the speed. Top speed on this is about 4 miles per hour. Also has a headlight that comes standard, which is really cool. Pretty bright too. And this, I think this just silences. Yeah, so that just silences all the noises that the buttons make. So me personally, I would have that on. That's pretty much it for assembly. So like I said, because it's a folding electric wheelchair, really easy to assemble. So let's go over some of the features. Now I'm going to start in the back. So here are the two 250 watt motors. There's drive mode. There's also manual. If they're pushed down, they're in drive. So I'm going to power this off for now. So if I push both of these up, now it's in manual. You can push it like a manual wheelchair. Put them both in drive. When you put them in drive, it locks the brakes. They're electromagnetic brakes. That's how you operate the chair. So they have to be in drive mode. Here's your anti-tip wheels. Okay, so here's a pin. So I put it down like that, and then I can lock it into place. Yeah, I'll show you on this side. It's actually better. So it's actually put in here. So you can't even put the anti-tip wheels down. So if I pull this out, you can line up these holes. Now you got the anti-tip wheels. You've got some 2 DuraShock suspensions here on the back. Got a little pouch here on the back. This is all the storage you get. Most folding power wheelchairs, you're not going to get much storage, but you do have a little bit here on the back. The wheels, they are flat free. So the tires are, they're 10-inch solid tires on the back. Front, also flat free, they are 6-inch. The overall chair width is 24 inches. And let me get a measurement here of the actual width of the seat. So it's showing on the cushion, it's about 17.5 inches, but distance between the armrests, that is about 19.5. So you got a lot of space between the armrests. Now, another measurement we get asked a lot is the distance from the ground to the top of the seat. So ground to the top of the seat, it's about 20.5 inches. Here's a nice big foot plate at the widest part, 14 inches. And then you're looking at about 7 inches. So 14 by 7. I just demonstrated, so that's how you fold it up. Batteries is where you would access it. So you just pull this down, has a handle here, comes right out. So you can charge the battery directly on it. So you can leave the chair in your car, bring the battery in and charge it. And then once it's fully charged, you can test it here. You press this down. So you can see right now, this is digital. I haven't seen a digital one before. About 77, 78% charged. So you can test it to see when it's fully charged. So you want to have the handle facing up. And now it is locked in. So you can also charge it directly in the joystick. You can see there's a USB charging port. You can charge your cell phone, and of course the lights. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email. So then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So I just wanted to share that with you. Now, a few other things. The armrests, they flip up for transfers in and out of the seat. They actually come all the way back So it helps you with easy transfers. If you're going from, you know, a dining room table and you want to transfer back into your chair, easy to do that. I do want to pair the remote. See if I can do that. So I'm going to power this on. I'm going to hold the power button for about 3 seconds and this light should turn on. And then you want to hold down the down arrow for another 3 seconds and it should flash. So you can see how it turned to like this red color, right? So if I power this on now, same thing. I'm going to hold the minus sign down. For 3 seconds, now it goes into Bluetooth mode. Hit the horn, so it was flashing. Now when I hit the horn, now it powers off. So the Bluetooth symbol is flashing. Before I hit the horn, it was flashing. When I hit it, then that Bluetooth symbol was a solid color. And the joystick turns off automatically. So now when I turn it on, it should be paired with the remote. So I'm gonna try to operate it now. Now I had to hit the power button again, so now it's green. It went from red to green. So now you can operate it with this. Now I know from experience with these ComfyGo chairs, the range with this remote is actually really far. It can go up to like 60 yards. Not that you would ever need to do that, but I think this is great if you're a caretaker. You know, you can operate the chair, talk to the user. Traditionally, you would have, if you had a attendant remote, be mounted to the back. So a lot of times the joystick would be mounted right back here. But with this, because it comes standard, you can just walk alongside the person you're taking care of and then talk to them, have that face-to-face interaction. You can also operate it if you're sitting in the chair, if you had like a condition where you couldn't use the joystick. So that's pretty cool. So to fold it, flip up the foot plate. On the back, you have this little clip. Just pull this. And that will allow you to fold the chair. Has a little kickstand here so you can easily store it upright. And then that's how you unfold it, really easy. So with the headlight, there's 2 modes. Turn it on, press it again and it blinks. Whoops, so it blinks, flashes. So I'm going to power that off, the remote control. Now we can use that. So I'm going to actually sit in this in real time. So just for reference, I am 6'4", 235. I'm under the weight capacity. I think this is pretty comfortable. The seat back is kind of low, but that's something that, you know, that wouldn't bother me personally. A lot of these chairs is just to get around. But yeah, this is a nice chair. I like the digital dash. Really like the headlight, riding at night. So yeah, this is the IQ Carbon from ComfyGo. Brand new to the market. If you have any questions about it, give us a call at the number below. It's 1-800-682-9444. Or you can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll do some other videos about this product and test it in some different terrains. But yeah, this is the unboxing video. You guys have an awesome day.